Today you are going to learn to make a joker cap with an origami sheet. The first step is you have to take an origami sheet and you have to turn it like a diamond shape, The second step is you have to make a triangle with it. Then again open. What do you see? A straight line. Then you have to do like this. Okay. And then you have to turn from this side. Now straight. And what you have to do, just top, and your joker cap is ready. But the joker cap is incomplete. So what you will do? You will take your scrapbook and you will paste it. First you have to make a joker face and then you have to paste. After completing your joker face, you have to paste joker cap on it. Have a lovely day. See you in the next video.